Good morning. Happy December 1st. So I'm going to leave the Christmas Story Advent Calendar for Robert. See if I can do this one-handed. That's half the fun of it. Let's see. Oh, this is cute. So this is a wooden jack face ornament. I like it. Very nice. Should I leave it out? I think I'll leave it out so Robert can see it. And then the popcorn. So this one's, oh, it's not consecutive. I was just going to talk about like how they throw me off when they're not consecutive. That's not consecutive. This is not consecutive. So number 1 is right here. This is the popcorn one. Is it? It's not that whole door because that's also number 14. Oh, I'm gonna get cut up. Oh man, that's got Cadbury Wise. Ooh. Oh my God, they love me. A cream egg, yes, that's my favorite Cadbury. And then Hallmark. Hallmark is actually consecutive, so that one will be easy. So number 1, A Pretty Tree. And as usual, yesterday we watched Hallmark all day long. It's like this year they have like Christmas movies 24/7 practically. So this is Bissinger's chocolate. This is probably going to be like a chocolate-filled caramel. Did I mention that? So I had this last year and it was my favorite. Made me want to get up in the morning for sure. Egg, like I've had 1,000 probably in my lifetime. I love Cadbury eggs. Kind of looks like a Cadbury egg. It definitely, sorry, it's not focusing. It tastes like a Cadbury egg. I never heard of this before. I wish I had a whole box. I really wish I had a whole box. It body pops. I don't know. Is that supposed to be like it body surfs? I don't know what that means. It's kind of funny. I don't get it, but I laughed. So
it's like the cheese.
I know, it's like the cheese. Robert came down so we can open his Christmas story. So I'm looking at your Christmas story and it doesn't look like the windows are numbered. So we're just going to start and just, or you can do it randomly. You want to do it, because a lot of these they're not in order.
I'll do it for the first one.
All right.
No, which is the first one?
Like you just have to fill around. It's blended in really, really well.
Oh, there it is. I can't.
Oh, it's so cute. One of the bumpy. Oh my God, he even knows who's the hounds are. Oh my God. Are you sure that's Ralphie?
Well,
okay, you're right. Okay, I don't know because he had that friend that got his tongue stuck to the.
But that kid didn't wear glasses.
That's true.
So good.
Oh my God. I need to find. It was this one. I need to find these online. It was a cream egg twisted. It was so good. Never even heard of it before.
You need to write that down.
I'm keeping the wrapper in my junk journal. Of course.
You're really hungry, aren't you?
I'm a little hungry.
You're eating it like you've never had popcorn before.
I know. Who eats popcorn for breakfast? I do. With my Dr. Pepper.
Sorry, remind me.
I'm all. Good morning. Happy December 2nd. All right. So it is a little trivia quiz book. Oh, that's cute. And then the popcorn. Are they not having 2? I gotta look around. Where is 2? Are we seeing 2? Oh, there we go. 2 right there. Oh, that's big. Oh, my goodness. I'm ripping into the next day. Caramel Belgium chocolate. All right, my Cadbury, my favorite one so far. Let's see what chocolate delight we get this morning. It is called Twirl. Is that okay? And the Hallmark was consecutive. My husband ate that chocolate yesterday. It is caramel filled. Very good. Bissinger's, like I've talked about before, it's a St. Louis company and it's my absolute favorite. And then this, where is number 2? right here. It's a little chocolate present, which I will eat right now. Very, very good. All right, this is the twirl. Looks like some kind of cookie covered in chocolate. No? No, it's just ropey looking for some reason. It's just milk. It's milky, milk chocolate, but nothing in it. I guess that's just the mold. It's okay. Not as good as yesterday's. And then here's Robert's A Christmas Story. He's up getting ready for the workday. When he has a moment, I'll grab him and we'll open his next toy for A Christmas Story. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed. Not a really good Cadbury candy. All right, Robert's here, but first we gotta tell him the popcorn joke. Why couldn't the man get out of the maze? And maze is spelled like corn maze.
Why couldn't the man get out of the maze? Because he was confused?
Oh my God, that's good. That's even better than their answer. He got cornered.
Oh.
I like yours better.
Thank you.
All right. So now open your Christmas Story.
Dagnabbit.
It is.
Oh, it's his son.
It's brother.
It's his brother. I almost said his son.
What's his brother's name?
I don't know what his brother's name is.
Does he have a name? Oh my God. How do you not know the brother's name?
He's got a name. Just can't remember what it is at the moment.
This is our new permanent advent calendar. It came in awfully quick. Like today's December 2nd. So what, you ordered it like on the 30th? Robert saw it in a Hallmark movie. I'm just showing it real quick. I'm not going to leave it on the table because I know the cats will knock it over. So we're going to put it on the fireplace mantle. But isn't that beautiful? It's all like wood carving, like scroll work cut out. Gorgeous. Good morning. Happy December 3rd. I know it's a little bit later in the morning, but I was up till 2 a.m., so I didn't get up till 9. So first we'll start with 0. December 3rd. If you're not familiar with Nightmare Before Christmas, the dog's name is 0. Carol, so it's a little booklet. That's Violent Night. Violent Night, Spooky Night. Oh my God, that's funny. All right. And now we'll do the popcorn. We're looking for the 3rd. These numbers just camouflaged really good. Okay, that's the back. Where is the 3rd? All right, there are numbers on the back. And to be fair, my eyesight's not the best. So I think that's a 3. And oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to push this one down. And this one is, and I'll save the joke for when Robert gets up because he appreciates them. Banano-fee pie. Bano-fee pie? I have no idea what that means. Banano-fee pie? Is that like a banana toffee flavor? I don't know. My husband was, I don't mind sweet popcorn. I'm pretty sure he was hoping there would be more cheese flavored popcorn. Don't know that there is. It seems. All right. My favorite, the Cadbury one. Where is number 3? Right here. And that is a Dinky Decker. And we all know what the Hallmark one is. That I guess they're pretty much the same, but I haven't tasted the Bissingers yet. Robert keeps eating them, which is fine because I'm eating this chocolate and that chocolate, and I ate the popcorn before he could have a chance yesterday. I'll leave this to him because I don't know what Bano-fee is. Now for the good chocolate. Number 3 is down here. So yeah, by the time Robert gets up, I've eaten. Ooh, Santa lost his head. So it'll be all sweet. So as soon as he gets up, we'll do his Christmas story. They need to make the National Lampoon's. I will show the Cadbury one because if you're American, we don't have these. So if you're curious and you love Cadbury like me, let's see. Just looks like a little toffee bar, but let's see if it has toffee in it. Oh, it's got something in it. A little crunch. It's really good. All right. Dinky Decker is pretty good. I don't know what that is. It contains milk, barley, and what's that say? Soya? Again, I have no idea what soya is. I know what barley is. Isn't that like a type of grain? Interesting. All right, I dragged my husband from his office. So first thing we will do is check the popcorn joke. What was every popcorn's favorite TV show in the 80s? I don't. Do you know, honey?
No.
I don't get it. Top of the Pops. What is that, honey?
I don't know.
I watched a lot of 80s shows.
I don't know what they're talking about.
I don't get that one. If you know what it is, please DM me because I don't get that one. All right. So, and then thank you, Tabby, for reminding us that the brother's name is Randy. And so, but Robert did brush up on his Christmas story knowledge. So let's see if he can get the next character's name.
The parents had names. So
Yeah.
when they show up, I got a problem.
So he couldn't find the names of the parents. So if they had names, let us know. What is it?
Oh boy, a Zeppelin.
All right. So one of the boys' toys, was it Ralphie's or Randy's toy?
It's Randy's.
Randy's
Oh boy,
Zeppelin.
it's a Zeppelin.
Oh boy, it's a Zeppelin. So we'll put that by him. All right.
Well, that was a good one. I thought that was going to be a hound, but that's okay.
We're hoping there's 3. We're hoping we get a hound. We're hoping we get all 3 hounds. But we're not going to open them all at once. We're going to take this slow. And then, it was a Christmas Carol Halloween version. I'm sorry, I was showing you the Nightmare Before Christmas. Jeez Louise, all he cares about is the Christmas story. Forget it, I ain't even showing you anything else. Eat your Bissingers and go back to work.
You go back to work.
Good morning. Happy December 4th. Let's see what one of the trick-or-treat boys is giving me today. I think this is Beryl. His name is Beryl. It seems pretty thick. It is, it's a little notepad, like Post-it notes. Featuring the 3 kids. All right, popcorn. Here we go. Yesterday's the banana cream. It was very subtle of banana. It was pretty good. And this one today is caramel Belgian chocolate. Another sweet one. Cadbury. December 4th. Oh, if I can get this. Uh-oh. And that one is a new one. I have not had this one either. Oh, wait. It's just a dairy milk. I've actually had this in huge bar form. It is really, really good. So, yes, this dairy milk is sold in the U.S. You can find it like candy bar form, like at Walgreens. And then Advent Hallmark. Very predictable. I still have yet to try a piece because I leave it right here, and in the afternoon, it's like gone. I don't know what happened. Little mice grab it or something. The little mice that I'm married to, my husband. Ooh, look at that. That is a nice, huge sleigh. Santa's bag and a present. I am going to eat that. And as normal, we will wait on the Christmas story until I can drag Robert out of his office. It is Saturday, but we want to get some work done in the morning because we are going on a Christmas walk this afternoon with my nieces. All right, it's time for a Christmas story. Looks like it's a small square right there.
Oh, man.
I know there. Oh.
Who is that?
Is that
Is that the witch?
It looks like a witch. Is that the, oh my God, that's
the
the very
mom.
frazzled mother.
Oh my God.
Let me see that. She looks
like a witch.
a little frazzled.
It's the witch from the show.
Oops.
You tell me that's not a witch.
Good morning. Happy December 5th. Let's start with The Nightmare Before Christmas. Oh, this cute little scary cat in the box. Let's see. Oh, there's several things in here. Is that it? Yeah, okay, so we got 2 cardboard ornaments, but they are very nice. Cardstock. Jack and Sally. Jack is Santa. All right, and so the popcorn one, what did I say today was the 5th? Excuse me. There we go. These are big windows. And then raspberry cheesecake. Okay, it's another sweet. Maybe there's not going to be any savory popcorn. I'll be honest, I haven't tried yesterday's yet. I brought out a little candy jar to put the candy that we're not eating. Just lots of sweets in the house. All right, maybe 6 advent calendars was a bit much. I don't know. Oh, a dairy milk 2 days in a row. Oh my goodness, Cadbury. That's a little disappointing. Did I do the right date? Yeah. All right, Hallmark. And then we'll go to my favorite. This one is always good. Let's see, where was number 5? I do actually eat this every day. It helps that it's not wrapped. I feel like I have to eat it since it's not wrapped. Oh, it's a cute little Rudolph. If I can get it out. Oh, come on. He's a turkey or, oh my goodness. All right, here we go. I will definitely be eating him. Time for a Christmas story. This kind of looks like a bigger box. Do you see how it's?
It's fragility, probably.
Maybe. Oh my God! It's
Oh
the
my
turkey.
God,
It's the chicken turkey.
It's the duck.
The duck? Is that
The
what
duck.
Oh man, that's good.
Oh, it's a duck. Look at it.
That's
and
a
it
good
chops
one.
its head off.
It's got little eyes and everything.
Rah, 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 rah.
All
Rah,
right.
rah, rah, rah.
All right, let's see what the joke is for the day. What is a popcorn's favorite type of music? Okay, that one was a giveaway. It's just pop. Lame.
Doing pretty good on me.
Oh, and then today's was raspberry cheesecake.
Are there any good ones in there?
Apparently they're all sweet. Sorry, honey.